Hello everyone, divide your hair into 3 sections and leave the front one as such and have the back section as a ponytail. And in the middle section of the hair, start braiding it in a very thin manner. Grab hair from the sides and braid it all over, then combine the braid to the top part, make another ponytail. Divide your hair into 3 sections and the middle section of the hair, start braiding it with 2 parts, making it in a very thick manner. Make it swirl and completely hide it beneath the bun and secure it with the rubber band. Then on the ponytail, make it bulby by extending the rubber band a bit, then decorate it with a hair clutcher. From the middle section of the hair, make a beautiful braid and make it swirl over in the clockwise manner and hide the tips beneath the bun we created. Have a hair clutcher and make 2 more braids to the bottom section of the hair. Divide your hair into 2 sections and have 2 ponytails on the sides. Then make it even more divided at the back and start doing the braiding, including the ponytail we already created. Grab the hair at the sides and make it completely go down and combine it with the rubber and make it bulbous. Divide your hair horizontally into 2 sections and on the top section make a ponytail, and with one side of the ponytail have a braid all over from top to bottom, including the bottom ridge. So make the ridge visible by adding even more details and have a rubber band and hairband. Split your hair into 4 sections and on each section have a ponytail. In the bottom section of the ponytail, make a rubber band and make it bulbous and attach it to the top. Then braid the top section and make it swirl. Attach your beautiful hair clutchers. Divide your hair into 3 sections and the middle section make a braid and make it swirl over and hide the tips inside. And with the remaining hair at the behind, make a braid and bend it down, form a hook shape using rubber band. Attach your hair clip. Split your hair into 3 sections and on the top section make a lovely ponytail, and on the side section braid it all over from top to bottom. Then combine both the braids onto the ponytail and have your beautiful hair clutcher. Apply wax on your hair and divide your hair into 2 sections. In the middle section have hair ties and combine that with the bottom section, and with the remaining hair swirl it around. Thank you guys for watching this video.